Lubrication Engineers offers its convenient Xpert Lubrication Benchmark Audit to help industrial operations pinpoint where they are on their journey to lubrication excellence. The audit provides operations with a high-level overview, showing where they rank in 9 key maintenance and reliability categories, ranging from lubrication best practices and contamination control to safety and accessibility of equipment. Advancing along the journey to lubrication excellence brings many benefits, including extended lubricant and equipment life, improved efficiency, energy savings, enhanced safety, minimized downtime, and reduced waste. To achieve these benefits, you first must know where you are on that journey. It's not easy to see everything you need to see when you're busy with the daily grind. That's where Lubrication Engineers can help. As outside experts familiar with industry best practices, we can observe how your facility is operating and notice areas for improvement that may have been overlooked. Using the standardized 9-category scoring system, the benchmark audit is designed to help you determine how you're doing and what your next steps should be. The audit can be scheduled at any time, no matter if you're just getting started or well on your way, and can be repeated periodically to measure your progress. After each audit, we provide a detailed report that acknowledges both the good and the bad. The report includes a range of scores, along with photos, notes, and recommendations for each category. This allows you to plan and budget ahead for improvement projects. At Lubrication Engineers, we understand the challenges industrial operations face. Our goal is to help your facility run at optimum efficiency. The benchmark audit is beneficial for a wide variety of organizations, including food manufacturers, cement plants, power generation and water treatment facilities, pulp and paper manufacturers, and any other organization interested in reaping the benefits of lubrication excellence. We'll work closely with you to make sure you understand what the recommended solutions are, how to implement them, and how to make these changes sustainable for the long term. Wherever you are in your journey, let us help with our Xpert Lubrication Benchmark Audit. Visit lelubricants.com today to get started.